beautiful scenery of Las Olas, Fort Lauderdale area. Okay. And we're going on the boat show.
So cheesy.
So this is baby Scotty. Scott, what are we doing today?
We're misbehaving.
We continue to celebrate every day, party every day. This is my friend Tatiana, Captain Tatiana.
In the beautiful Florida sunshine.
That's right, and beautiful Lily Pulitzer. And here we are. We can see this nice
There will be no shoveling snow
condo
today. No
in
snow all day.
Fort Lauderdale. And this is what a taxi can take you from Gallery 133 to the boat show. To check this out. Tomorrow is the last day.
Tell them this is not like Siberia.
It's definitely not. Anyway, this is Valentina, your travel agent and realtor.